Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Jumping into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Stock market's open again today, so I'm going to do the NASDAQ as well, which is beautiful. It wasn't the Father's Day, it was the 14th African Independence Day or something like this, which big beautiful to all of you for independence. It's nice. I don't know, in my experience, the Western countries not so free, right? Like Australia, Canada, America, they're more like mental slavery traps, systems. Make you work all the time till you're 70 and then you die and you just like retire some shit house with some people that wipe your ass but don't really care about you. Need a different system. Need to make like an abundant system. And in this video I'm going to show you Bitcoin and Ethereum trades, and I'm going to look at the stock markets, and I'm going to see how I'm going to move my portfolio around, my money, how I'm going to trade it, what I'm going to do with my portfolios. This is not financial advice. This is what I do with my money. You do your own due diligence, consult your brokers. This is what I'm doing. And you can watch me move around some of my money and see what you think, make your own judgments, your own opinions, and do what you think is best, and consult your brokers. But I'm going to show you kind of my techniques and what I'm doing in the markets. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to markets, and it's pretty, at the moment, green. SMR pretty even, huh? No much movement. 1.8% on Intel is in the open a little bit. MCRT up 1%, IOTA 1%. Rest of the market flat, very flat over this long weekend. Bitcoin is at resistance to getting rejected. This is the resistance. This is Bitcoin moving since April. You've seen it come down from 30k. We sold up here when I was in Greece, if you remember, and now it's coming down here. Big bounce though, following the yellow trend line almost perfectly. I drew this yellow dotted line. You can see here the first time I drew it was on the 6th of June. Now we're at the 21st. What is it, 20th or 21st of June? And we're exactly on the yellow dotted line, which is almost following perfectly. The trade from earlier today, daily we're overbought. Stochastic coming down on 4 hourly. Weekly reset. Daily overbought, 4 hourly. So there's going to be a little bit of a pullback, but hourly oversold. Looks like Bitcoin it's getting rejected here. Now we have very strong supports here on this line here at 25,868. So if you haven't opened a long, most likely if Bitcoin gets rejected, here would be a great time to go long off this blue support line. It's just got a lot of support. But Bitcoin can break out now, so just keep that in mind. But if not, this would be a very nice entry with the target of 37k. 25,887, stop loss 25,245, take profit 37. Risk to reward is 642 to make 11,685. Better to put the stop loss, the support like right on. Yeah, this is a major support here. If you go lower than that, you might miss Bitcoin breaking up. And most likely Bitcoin is going to break out right now. Why? Because you have this descending trend line. It's like a symmetrical triangle building pressure, and usually it breaks out 70% of the move, which is right here. So I do think Bitcoin's going to break out. You might be able to get a little bit of a pullback to the weekly, but I think Bitcoin more than likely is going to break out. So you could miss the trade if you do that safer trade. The better trade to take, in my opinion, opening at 26,334, stop loss 26,036, take profit 37. So risking 298 to make 11,238 with no leverage, 10x leverage 110,000. This is the trade I'm going to take on Bitcoin. So I'm going to modify my trade. It would be safer to take it at 25,868. But if Bitcoin breaks out here, we can miss a mega move here, and it's the 4th to the 5th final wave of this Elliott wave pattern, and then we have correction time. Not so nice. But this is where I would go long on Bitcoin. So I'm going to open this trade, and then I'm going to show you Ethereum if I have time, and then stock markets. Also, MCRT is going to be listing on Steam in 2 days. So June 21st, MCRT is live on Steam, which is a play-to-earn game. You can check it out. And now, if you want to trade, all the links are in the description. Sign up, take the courses, learn to trade on this exchange, $30,000 bonus. Sign up to that Telegram. My Ethereum trade is up 414 in this account, 273,000, so it's up around 13,000 in the last week or something, which is beautiful. Bitcoin 3.5, Bitcoin about 95,000 worth of Bitcoin, USDT 61,000, MCRT 41,000, MCRT pumping 43.5%, beautiful. 41,930, Uniswap 20,000. Uniswap 20,000, no big movement on Uniswap. BNB 11,700 I've got, and FXS I've got 9,000 something. FXS about up 3%, which is interesting. And my Bitcoin trade is still set here, 26555 for filling the order. But again, it might miss this order, but it's very close, so I'm going to leave it. Let's see if it activates. Also, I want to check out the NASDAQ and see what's going to happen to tech stocks. I'll do tech stocks now because it's been the long weekend. Now we have the NASDAQ going to open up, breaking out exactly as I predicted. The NASDAQ, big W formation. It broke the neckline of the W. See this? It broke the neckline of the W. So this is the W formation, and it already broke through this resistance. So if it pumps, the NASDAQ can move the base of this W. So we could get a movement from the NASDAQ from that support. So 16,200. Look, and it exactly almost lines up with the all-time high on the NASDAQ. Very interesting. But this is a big resistance point, but it already broke through. Now it's at another major resistance, and this is quite a strong one. But the main one's at 14,000, so that's where I expect a rejection. So that's the NASDAQ, Bitcoin. In the next video, I'll do Ethereum, and I'll go deeper into tech stocks. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Learn of all of this in the courses, jamescryptoguru.com. Join the free Telegram, join 9,000 other students. Study this, learn this, change your life. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.